Hey y'all, I'm Vanessa. Welcome to my channel. Today we are doing a review and tutorial of the LASplash Golden Gatsby palette. She looks like this. She's stunning. This palette is $28. I got it on ulta.com. I also got the 3D foaming lashes in Sittin' Pretty. Of course, I have everything on my face. And this is the look. So if you want to see what I think about this and how to get this look, then let's go ahead and get into it. Okay guys, so I have one eye almost done. We're going to start on the other eye, but I kind of struggled a bit over here. We're going to recreate it. So we're just going to start doing the things that I did over here, and then I'll tell you about the struggle and where we're going to change it just a little bit. I'm first going to go in with Mary Pickford and just kind of use it as our first transition. I think this actually has a little bit of a sheen to it, but it'll work for what we're using it for. Like there's not a whole lot of sheen there. So I think it does the job pretty well. And we are just putting this in the very upper crease area. And then just blending back and forth. And then I'm going in with my Morphe M433. And we're going to go in with Highball right there. And these shades are beautifully pigmented. Like no issue blending them out. I don't know why I keep putting the palette in front of the camera, but I have no issue with most of the shades. We'll get into one in a second, and maybe it's because I put this shade down first. I will definitely keep using this, and I will update you guys to let you know. I'll try using that shade just kind of on its own. Kind of no big deal there. And then I used the same brush and I went in with Mint Julep, which is right here. And this shade just really disappointed me. It just kind of looks muddy. And I'm thinking it may look muddy where it's on top of that brown. So maybe that's it, but it's a little bit patchy. So I covered up most of that on the other eye. So we're just going to go back in with Highball and cover that a little bit. Now, these beautiful metallics here are actually more like glitters. Here are swatches of them. This is the green shade, and as you can see, like this pink shade, you cannot really see it. This gold shade, it's predominantly all just glitter. So on this side, I went in and I wet my brush and I went in with Zozzled, I guess that's how you say it, the green shade here. And let me do it again, and I'm going to do it on my hand so you guys can see exactly what I am talking about. I'm going to try something different on this eye just to see if it works better. I mean, you can't use these dry. Like you go in, get it on the brush, I'll show you with it dry here. Like that's it, and it would be all over your face. Like you can see how powdery, focus. Like you could see there's no way that that would work. Like it just, I mean, no. Okay, so I kind of knew that going in by swatching them. So I'm going to grab some on the brush here and spray my brush with Fix Plus. And then I always go back in again. And this shade, let me do it back here. This shade kind of ended up looking blue. Like you can see it there. It's just, I don't know, it's a really odd color. Like it more so looked blue on my eye. I don't know. It was really weird. So for this side, we are going to go in with a glitter glue and see if that works and if it's true to color like that. I'm not sure that it's going to, but we're going to try it. And I cut the crease over here, so we're just going to try it on this side. I don't know. We're kind of just to the point now where we're experimenting we're just gonna try to do the best that we can do. Alright, now let's grab our brush and go back in. Okay, that's what I thought we needed. A glitter glue is definitely the way to go. Yep, for sure. Like, that looks way, way, way more pigmented than it did over here. Alright, let me try grabbing some of the gold, which is called Ritzy. I hope this doesn't stick all over my face. Yes. Okay, this is more of what I was going for. And then I'm going to grab Hotsy Totsy, my same little brush. We're going to stick it right in that inner corner. Ooh, look at that gold with using your finger. Holy cow. That is what I want. Let me grab a little bit of the green on my finger. Oh yeah. Alright, now we are going to grab Speak Easy and we're going to put it on our very outer corner here. I'm just pulling that shade of the black just up a little bit and kind of winging it out. Alright, I'm grabbing our pencil brush, and we're going in with Old Fashioned, and we're going to take this right on the edges of the black and the green. Alright, and then grabbing a little blending brush here and just blending all of this out. We're going to go in with French 75, which is the creamy white shade. And we're going to put that on the brow bone. Let's try Mint Julep again on the lower lash line. Yeah, see, it looks way prettier by itself than over the other colors. So I will definitely have to try it. It's looking a little muddy there in the outer corner, but that is okay. We will worry about that later. Alright, and then we're going to take Highball and just run it right underneath. With the glitter glue, I really didn't get any fallout. So, I'm going to go off camera, finish fixing up this outer corner a little bit, fix this guy, and I'll be back. Okay guys, this is our finished look, and we got glam. We struggled a bit, but we got there. What I will say about this palette is where there are no actual metallic shades, and they're all kind of glitter shades, shades that you need a glitter glue for. I think it's pretty specific in if you're going to want this or not. Because there's not a shade you can easily throw on your eyes. This is going to be a super glam going out type of palette. Do I like the palette? Yes. Did I struggle with it? Yes. But I figured it out. We made it work and it's good now. I will say that. The mattes blended out beautifully. The green shade is not as green as I would like. It's a little muted. Kind of looks a little bit muddy, but I can make it work. But like I said, there are no traditional metallics in here to where you can just throw it on your eyes and be out the door. No. This is strictly a special occasion palette or a going out palette. Like, it's beautiful. I love it. But you do have to take some extra steps. I would probably do my eyes first, and you do have to use a glitter glue. They don't even work properly when wet. So, take that into consideration. Now, these are the, let's see, Sittin' Pretty lashes from LASplash. These are absolutely stunning. I mean stunning. I absolutely love them. They have a thicker band, so I did have to do a wing, but they are beautiful. They went on easier than any other lash, except for my Eyelure 117s, which I wear almost every day. And for them to be a big, bold lash, like, they went on beautifully. I mean, I had no trouble whatsoever. Of course, I had to trim them. I have to trim most lashes. But, yeah, and, I mean, I do recommend this palette. Like I said, you have to use it a certain way. It's only going to be for certain people, but it does work and it's beautiful. It's $28. I mean, for most palettes like this, you're paying 40, 50 bucks. So I do like the palette. I love, love, love the lashes. I will definitely be getting more lashes. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed watching the struggle. And if you do get this palette, make sure you use a glitter glue. I'm glad we figured that out together. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.